हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 11 एरिया रिलेटेड टू द सर्कल्स, दैट इज सर्कल. This chapter is depend on a sector and segments. This is center and these are radii. Sector and segments. First we take sector. What is sector? When the portion of a circle, when the portion of a circle enclosed by any two radii, then portion is called sector. In this circle, two sector, that is a major sector and this is minor sector. When the circular region is enclosed by two radii, then we call say sector. That is a major sector, जो बड़ा है major sector, छोटा minor sector. We can take names O. This there is a P and that is Q. So minor sector is APB and major sector is a AQB. Now segment. That's type of segment A, B, this is P and that is Q. When the portion of circle is enclosed by any chord, then the circular region is a arc is known as segment. Now segment also have two types, two parts, that is a मेजर सेगमेंट, जो बड़ा है वो मेजर सेगमेंट एंड जो छोटा है वो माइनर सेगमेंट. सो वी कैन राइट मेजर सेगमेंट इज AQB and minor segment is APB. Now their areas. How can we take areas? So area of a circle. Area of circle is pi r square. In this, now in a sector, we can take degree, that is a theta, means minor part is a theta, है ना. We can write minor sector is theta and major sector is 360 degree minus theta, because at the center of a circle that is a 360 degree angle. So minus theta is a minor sector and rest is a major circle. So major sector is angle is 360 degree minus theta. So we can write area for 360 degree equals to pi r square. Area for 1 degree equals to pi r square upon 360 degree. Area for theta area for theta degree can be write pi r square theta upon 360. There theta is minor sector, so area for minor sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So area for major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector. The area of a circle is pi r square and area of a minor 60 degree is area of a minor sector is a pi r square theta upon 360. So we can write pi r square common, 1 minus theta upon 360. Take LCM, pi r square 360 minus theta, or we can write pi r square upon 360 minus theta we can write. So this area of a major sector. So major sector equals to theta, minor sector equals to 360 minus theta, and area of major sector equals to pi r square upon 360 minus theta. Or area of a sector, any angle theta equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. If we have any arc for O, that is A, B and P, and that is Q, then length of an arc, that is the length of an arc APB, length of an arc an arc of a sector of angle theta, that is equals to theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. 360 degree, theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. That is another formulas. Now we start exercise 11.1. Find the area of a sector of a circle with a radius as a 6 centimeter if angle of the sector is a 60 degree. In question 1, radius is 6 centimeter and theta equals to 60 degree. So area equals to area of a sector equals to area of sector equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. So pi equals to 22 upon 7, r equals to 6 into 6, theta is 60 degree upon 360. Cancel, 6 1 ja 6, 6 is 36, cancel. So that equals to 132 upon 7 centimeter square. So area equals to 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Next question, question number 2. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is at 22 centimeter. Quadrant of a circle whose circumference is at 22 centimeter. If there is circumference, if the quadrant of a circle, that means equals to theta equals to 90 degree. Circumference equals to 22 centimeter. Find the area. So first we calculate radii of a circle. The C equals to 2 pi r, circumference equals to 2 pi r, that equals to 22. 2 into 22 upon 7, r equals r. So r equals to 22 upon 7 into 2 into 22. So this will be 22 से 22 cancel, that equals to 7 upon 2. R equals to radii equals to 7 by 2. Now area equals to pi r square theta upon 360. 22 upon 7, 7 into 2, 7 upon 2 into theta equals to 90 upon 360. So this will be cancel, 9 4 the 36, that equals to 11. 11 7 ja 77, 4 2 ja 8. So area will be 77 upon 8 centimeter square. That is answer. Next question, question number 3. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand in a 5 minutes. That is a clock and this is minute hand. Find the area swept by the minute hand in a 5 minutes area. That is 14 centimeter. and that is 5 minutes. Now we calculate time. Area for five minutes in degree. In 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, minute hand cover area 360. So in 1 minute cover 360 upon 60. So in a 5 minute cover 360 upon 60 into 5, that equals to 30 degree. So theta will be 30 degree. R equals to 14 centimeter. So area, put the formula. Pi r square theta upon 360, 22 upon 7. R equals to 14 into 14, theta equals to 30 upon 360. 0 से 0 cancel. 7 to the 14, 12, 7 to the 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 22 7s are 154 upon 3. So area will be 154 upon 3 centimeter square. That is answer. Thank you.